You know what? I've built arc reactors, designed billion-dollar suits, but even I'm impressed by this. One sentence.
Turned me into an action hero dodging bullets in a high-tech facility. Another had me galloping through neon-lit streets like I'm starring in the next blockbuster.
In this video, I'll show you how I made these with Google VO3 and how you can create Hollywood-level content with just text prompts. Here at bitbiased.ai, we do the research so you don't have to. Imagine typing a cozy coffee shop scene with jazz music and people chatting, and getting back a professional video that looks like it was filmed by a movie crew. That's exactly what VO3 does, and it's the first AI tool that creates videos with completely realistic sound. We're not talking about silent clips that feel robotic. This generates background music, conversation, sound effects, and even makes characters speak with perfect lip sync. I tested this with dozens of prompts, from business presentations to creative projects, and the results are consistently impressive. The AI understands lighting, camera angles, and even emotional tone. When I requested a motivational workout scene with energetic music, it delivered exactly that, complete with proper pacing and inspiring audio. Early users are reporting some fascinating results. A small marketing agency told me they've cut video production time by 75% while maintaining client satisfaction rates. Content creators on social media are producing daily video content that used to take them weeks to plan and execute. One educator I spoke with created an entire semester's worth of educational videos in 3 days. What makes this revolutionary is how it democratizes professional video creation. You no longer need expensive cameras, lighting equipment, or audio gear. Real people are already using this to create marketing videos for their businesses, educational content for online courses, and even personal projects that rival professional productions. The tool is available right now for Google AI subscribers, and honestly, if you create any kind of video content for work, social media, or personal projects, this changes everything about your workflow and what's possible. Here's what I want to know. What's the first video you're going to create with Flow once you get access? That commercial you've been putting off? Or maybe that YouTube series you've always wanted to make? Let me know in the comments, because I'm genuinely curious which type of content you think will benefit most from instant professional production. And if you're ready to never worry about expensive video equipment again, smash that like button.